Hello everybody, welcome back to Benson Bushcraft. I hope you had a good watch time. Today we will be rebuilding our cabin. We'll be measuring the perimeter for the add-ons that we are going to do to it. And yeah, we have some pretty good plans for it. Let's get right into the action.
I will not be compliant. If you push, I'm defiant. Just try it. It is bound to get violent when you walk this way.
Right now we are clearing out all of this debris and moving it that way, so we are able to draw out our design for our additions.
I won't stop until you're down in your grave, with a couple of your friends to keep you company. At the moment's notice, I'll be swinging the blade, saying, look at this beautiful mess I made. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. When you find out what they're looking for, you better roll the dice. I was raised in the shadows, nothing else even matters. Yeah. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line.
Paper towel.
I won't stop until you're down in your grave, with a couple of your friends to keep you company. At the moment's notice, I'll be swinging the blade, saying, look at this beautiful mess I made. When the enemy is at your door, you better hold that line. When you find out what they're
Bar, chain brake, handle, trigger, battery. We made the perimeter of the new additions to the cabin, and we cleared the debris here, and we took the 2 tarps off them. And also, today I was able to use the chainsaw for the first time, so it's good, it's fun, surprisingly easy to use. So yeah, see you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile.